Behind the design, standard heel cup height. This client needed a custom orthotic to fit a standard footwear style. It is designed to fit the Asics Kayano sports shoe. The heel width of the shoe was greater than the foot, allowing heel expansion. It also allowed for a prescription of a combination of design variables. The aim of this orthotic was to fit the standard footwear and provide support and control with a custom orthotic. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotic service. They selected the standard heel cup height from the heel cup height section within digital corrections on the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of this selection include a 12 to 14 mm height on standard or comfort shell shapes, giving a balance of control and shoe fit. Designed to fit standard shoe styles including sports shoes, casual shoes and work boots. Orthotip. Selection of standard variables can be misinterpreted as lazy prescription. However, understanding their definition and using them for a reason is anything but lazy. It shows critical thinking and expertise. A selection can be called or classified as standard for a variety of reasons, including it's a midpoint of a selection range, it's a 0 point for a direction, it's a popular design feature that works, it's a reference point, it's a lab standard amount giving a definition of a prescription variable, or it's a balance of multiple features. For example, a standard flex of polypropylene is popular for a mid-range BMI. A lab standard heel expansion of 5 mm gives a definition. A standard balance cast position is vertical. A standard shell shape is to fit popular footwear styles and dimensions. A standard width is to the first metatarsal bisection line.